Hello guys, this is Ansab and you're watching Nerdy Ansab YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you how to get a free domain for your hosting. So as this is just a tutorial, so I'm going to use a free domain. So yes, I'm going to save my money. Oh yeah. So let's start. So for this you need to go to a website called freenom.com. freenom.com. Just enter. So what is this freenom? So freenom, you can see free and nom, free name. So this website registered a domain for free. It doesn't give you .com, .co, .in, but it gives you some other extensions which are free. So first just go to this sign in button and you can just create your ID, or for the simplicity I'm just going to use the social sign in, and I am going to hide my email from here because it is top secret. Yes. Now it's time for password. Yeah, okay, next. That's it. One moment please, and log in. Okay, I just got a notification on my email. Did you just sign in? Yes, I just signed in. So you can see hello Ansab, and now you can go to service and go to register a new domain. Let it load, and now you can type your domain. Just type any name and it will give you the extensions. So for this course, let me think some good domain name. Okay, web hosting co. See, web hosting course. And yes, you can see these are some free domains and these are some paid domains. So if you want .com, then you have to pay USD 8.38. So I think it's yearly. And you can see there are some extension: WH course, web hosting course.tk, WH course.ml, GACF, GQ. So for this tutorial I am not going to use .tk domain because I am going to use infinity free hosting, and that hosting doesn't support .tk domain for some reasons. So I can use either of these domains. So I'm going to use whcourse.cf. Yes, because it looks good. So just click on get it now after selecting your favorite domain. Okay, and go to checkout button, and from here don't do anything in these settings, DNS or forward this domain, and you can select the period. So I'm going to use 12 months free and just click on continue. And now I think you have to fill your details. Okay, after filling the details, just click on complete order. Let me check what are the required details. Your address and city. So it need address and city. Let me enter my address. City, and it will also ask for country, and then state or region, after this, just click on I have read and exit terms and condition and complete order. So you can see just free 0.00 USD, and you can see that your order number is this, and now you can click here to go to your client area. So this is my domains, these are my domains. So my domain is whcourse.cf, and you can see that is registered to my name. So guys, like this you can get a free domain, and now you can use this domain with your with your web hosting company. What is this? I don't know what. I'll just close this. So like this you can get a free domain, and to use it with your hosting I will tell you how to use this when we will set up an infinity free account, because the method is generally same, just you have to change the name servers. So I will tell in the next video how you can change the name servers of this domain in this freenom website. So guys, if you like this video, just like, comment, share, subscribe. For any problem just comment, and if you want to ask me anything or your feedback, just leave your feedback, and just share this video with your friends, family, everyone who want to purchase a domain. Bye, see you in next video.